Suspected daredevil men of the underworld on Tuesday evening struck at the popular Abdullahi Supermarket in One-Man Village near Mararaba in Nasarawa State, annihilating 4 customers, including a staff of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. The CBN staff, identified through his identity card as Daniel Adefemi Okunade, died immediately from bullet wounds. 3 others gruesomely murdered along with him could not be identified as of the time of this report. An eyewitness account said that the robbery operation lasted less than 2 minutes, during which the CBN staff, who is said to be the choirmaster of the Christ Apostolic Church, CAC, also in One-Man Village, was gunned down.
My name is Prophet Daniel Adefemi. After 7 to 8, I was in the supermarket to get some things and all of that. I even came with my brother. It was not quite long that we got home, that my brother was coming out. He started hearing gunshot. He put a call to me immediately that something is wrong here at the supermarket where we just left, not quite couple of 10 minutes and all of that. Coming back here, a lot of people are in the pool of blood and all of that.
He was said to have had a stopover at the supermarket to buy bread for his family when the robbers found their way into the ever-busy store and took the lives of the 4 customers.
My name is Daramola Dayo. So the person that involved in this incident is my brother, is my boss, is my oga. So definitely when I wasn't there when the incident happened, but they called me. When they called me, when I arrived, I saw it and I saw him lie down in the cold blood. So everybody was so devastated, and by then police came, they took him to mortuary, and we also went to his house to console the wife and the children.
The one you wear, just tell us what you want.
I'm not scared. I will explain to them.
All right, let's start from there.
My name is Biodun Aide.
Tell us the story from the eyewitness.
So, like I heard from someone inside, he said as he was coming, he stayed outside trying to open fridge. So when he was about to open the fridge, the friend now calling inside that they should come and to buy some things. So on the process, when he went inside, they are trying to get some things. One spirit just asked him to come outside. As he just came out, he now saw a guy on top of a bike. They came down with gun, AK-47 in their hand. That was how he ran inside. As he ran inside, he just lie down flat with his gear. So other people came and jumped on them. They just lie down together. The next thing, they were just hearing gunshots. Then where the building itself was shaking, they were hearing the gunshot. Building was shaking. So before you know heard that they killed about 4 people inside. So they were just saying, they are just telling themselves, sorry, sorry, sorry. That's the language they are saying. That they should hurry up, that they need to go. So when they finish, they have to go. When they are going, they don't even enter the bike anymore. They have to go with leg and shooting. Everybody was just scared. So that's how they just disappeared. So that's only what I know about this. My name is Biodun Ainde.
This One-Man Village is a peaceful area, but yesterday was like a 3rd World War for all of us here because we never expected what happened. Around after 8, that was when we had the first gunshot, which we don't know what really happened, but along the line, the guns was coming over and over, the gunshot, but later on we came to find out that lives was taken, and the same guys left peacefully without any stoppage from them.
When I was coming back from work, that should be between 9:30 or thereabout, I thought they were fighting. The keke man that dropped me told me they were fighting. I said, this one has gone beyond fight. So when I came down, I saw someone on the ground lying with a pool of blood. I said, God, does it mean this we were just fighting this new year? So they now told me that they were armed robbers, that they've killed them. Then I've not even gotten the real story. I said, oh, that's good if they are armed robbers, that they were killed. 4. So later I saw corpses. They were moving corpses outside. About 3 of them joined 4 lying down on the ground. 4 hefty men. So I saw when they were moving them right inside their hillocks. Policemen were there yesterday. You know, they were all shedding. In fact, I believe none survived it. This story is so pathetic. These are the people that left their home. I've learned that a man has got into his house already. Came to buy easy water or bread for the children, I believe. He became a victim. Please, should help us to tell the government and government of this local government, nobody is no longer safe. Even as we are standing here, no one is safe. You go out to go and hustle for your family. You don't know whether you will come back. You don't know how you will come back. Please, they to help us. There is no security in this country. No security at all. There are lapses.
AJ Koka. I stay in One Man Village. I'm ASV1. I'm a vigilante. I'm a security member. Around 8-something p.m., we came out when we heard that they shot one of our boss that is very loyal and is honest and is a very good man in the environment. And he gave us Happy New Year and he did everything. And when we had the incident, we came out to try to come and see him to know what is the situation. Before we came, we stayed to now that we are still here securing it, because now his brother have came now and pick up his car to the station now. But we are still here trying to see what is going on.
I'm Salisu Akawa. I'm a Gatuba tribe. So we are the security in this line. So this thing will happen like this. A thing don't make everybody fear. So we now want to make government help us, make them assist us. Because this side now na supermarket, now where many plenty life is they come. You understand, ba? If people they come here today and they kill them come tomorrow, now I no go do this thing. So I beg one make government help us. I beg.
My name is Ikumelo Liv Chibike.
Can you tell us the experience of what happened?
It was traumatic for everybody involved at the supermarket, because all those people that were killed, they were well-known customers to us, and they usually come to our store every day. So the experience was really traumatic, and it was unbearable for me and the rest of everybody. So it was around 8 to 8 and about there. I was selling for the first man on suit that was killed. So after I finished selling for him, I was looking outside. Then I noticed somebody just come with gun. So I thought he was a vigilante or something like that. Then he tapped the man outside and shot him at close range on the head. Before they now came inside and started shooting and asked everybody to go on the ground. Then they came, robbed the place and went away. So it was terrific for me, honestly. I couldn't, thinking about it, I'm still...
What is your call to relevant authorities?
They should please enforce maximum security at public places like that. There should be maximum security at public places like that to enable secure lives. That is my only call to the government, please.
Your name again?
Ikumelu Chibike.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.